Which blood vessel would normally carry largest amount of urea? Urea is a waste product formed in the liver through the urea cycle as a result of the breakdown of proteins. Once urea is synthesized in the liver, it is released into the bloodstream and it is transported to the kidneys where it is filtered and excreted in the urine. So here the answer will be option C, hepatic vein. The hepatic vein carries the blood away from the liver, and since the liver is the organ responsible for producing urea, it carries a higher concentration of urea than the other vessels. So after being synthesized in the liver, urea enters the bloodstream and it is carried through the hepatic vein to the heart and then to the kidney for excretion. So hepatic vein carries the largest amount of urea as it directly comes from the organ that produces urea. Whereas option A, renal vein, carries blood away from the kidney. So option A is incorrect. Option B, dorsal aorta. Aorta carries the oxygenated blood to various parts of the body. It doesn't carry the largest amount of urea. Option D, hepatic portal vein. This vein carries blood from the digestive system to the liver, rich in nutrients absorbed from the gut. So the liver processes nutrients and waste products including urea. The hepatic portal vein itself does not carry the highest concentration of urea. So the correct answer is option C, hepatic vein, which carries the largest amount of urea as it is a direct pathway for the blood coming from the liver where urea is produced.